In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a better pie chart using Tableau in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it, and by the end, you'll be able to visualize your data in an aesthetically pleasing and informative way. First things first, you'll want to launch the Tableau application on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best user experience. Once Tableau is open, navigate to your worksheet where you're going to build your pie chart. This will be your canvas where all the magic happens. Next, let's focus on the elements we want to include in our pie chart. Start by dragging a dimension, like segment, onto the color shelf. This action will assign a different color to each category within your data, bringing the segments visually to life. Once that's done, you'll want to change the automatic mark type to a pie chart. To do this, find the Marks card and select Pie from the drop-down menu. Immediately, you'll notice your visualization transforming into the beginnings of a pie chart, showcasing your selected segments. Now, let's add some detail to our pie chart sections. Click on the color card and select Border, then choose a white color. This will help define each slice, making them distinct and easy to differentiate at a glance. This simple trick can make a significant difference in the clarity of your data representation. With the groundwork laid, it's time to incorporate some numerical data. Drag a measure such as sales and place it on the details shelf. This step will allow us to associate specific values with each segment of the pie chart. To give these numbers meaning, click on the drop-down icon on the Marks card, go to Quick Table Calculation, and select Percentage of Total. This calculation converts our raw numbers into meaningful percentages, giving viewers a better understanding of the data breakdown. Continuing with the measures, drag sales onto the angle shelf. This determines how large each section of the pie will be relative to the others, reflecting the percentage contribution to the total. To further enhance clarity, duplicate the sum, sales, and drag this duplicate onto the label shelf. This will display the percentage directly on the chart, providing immediate insight without having to guess the values. To ensure that your pie chart is fully visible and taking up the space it deserves, set the sheet to Entire View. Just click on Standard and choose Entire View from the options. This will zoom in on your chart, maximizing its display area. Lastly, for additional context, duplicate Segment and drag it onto the label shelf. Now each slice will not only display its size and percentages, but will also clearly label what segment it represents. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted pie chart that is both visually appealing and informative. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!